Hi guys, tonight I make some caramelized sweet pork. I'm sauteing right now some garlic, shallots, ginger with a little bit of oil and sugar. Then I'm adding in my pork shoulder. You can use pork belly, you can use chicken, but tonight I'm just using pork shoulders, okay? Next, we're gonna add some dark soy sauce, okay? I'm eyeballing everything tonight. I don't really measure when I cook, but yeah, that's what I'm using. Dark soy sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour some in there. Okay, and then give it a good stir just to mix them all up. Okay. Right, and then we're gonna add in a can of this Coco Rico, which is just a soda, coconut soda. If not, you can just use water. I like using this because it's sweet and also has a hint of coconut to it. So I'm gonna use all of it. Go. And for the seasoning, it's just MSG and chicken bouillon. You can, of course, not use any MSG if you don't use it, okay? And I'm adding some kaffir lime leaves, some lemongrass, and some rosemary. That in there. It's all frothy and foamy right now, but don't worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna add in the boiled eggs. This is hard boil or soft boil, however you like your eggs. Mine's kind of like medium. Okay, and then we just cover it. And we're gonna let this cook. Put a cover on it, okay? Turn down the heat a little bit, medium. All right, now we're gonna add in some, this is optional. This is quail eggs. I like extra eggs in there, so I'm gonna add this quail egg, a can of it. And I'm also gonna use, add in some tamarind powder. So this will give it a sweet, tangy, umami, salty flavor that I'm looking for, okay? And some fish sauce. Let's give it a good squirt. Okay, you don't want to over salt it. So everything is by eyeball, just taste and eyeball how your ingredients. Okay, and then we're gonna let this cook down a little bit. So just go ahead and put back on the lid and let it cook. And like 7-8 minutes later, this is what it looks like. The broth is a little stickier and the color's beautiful now. Let's see, brown, dark brown, golden brown. And look at our meat, it looks delicious. Just like that, very simple. This is our dinner tonight. And I'm gonna plate it, and this is what it looks like. Not beautiful? Look at the quail eggs. Beautiful color, the meat, the 2 eggs, and rice. So you need steamed rice to go with this. Okay, so that's dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.